I've been using the Bqool AI repricing rule for more than 1 month now, and I promised you guys in the previous video, if you haven't seen it, watch it here, that I was going to make a full review when, I had a little bit more experience with the $100 plan, and so it's this video today. If you want to try Bqool yourself, you can use my link in the description. You will get a 14 days free trial. It's just an affiliate link, so I will receive a little something in exchange. So if you want to support the channel, it's a great way to do it. All right. So before we start as well, we have a Discord server, link in the description. Best place to ask any questions you may have about the Bqool, about all that stuff. If you want to network with other Amazon sellers, best place to do it, Discord in the description. So I have all the numbers right here. We are going to look at the numbers and we are going to see if the AI repricing rules are really worth it. So I have my numbers right now, and basically I win on the listings where I have the rule, the AI rule applied. I win the buy box 22.11% of the time on average. All right. And when it comes to the regular repricing rules, so I have a whole set of rule-based rules that I shared in the video. I will put it right there. If you do not have the AI repricing rules, you can use my rules, the rules that I used to have. It covered a lot of the case scenario that you are going to face if you sell on Amazon and if you need to repricer. So check them out. The difference is I only was getting the buy box 21.06% of the time with those in the last month. All right. So with the AI repricing rules, we win the buy box 1% more, right? 1% more, like 1% of the time more. All right. But I think, so what is it telling us? All right. So I think that my rules, the set of rules that I created to cover, like it was covering a lot of ground, and I'm not really sure because it's not on a lot of listings, so it may not be significant. Let's just look at it quickly. For the last month, let me check real quick. So for this month, let's just check for this month, to be honest. So for this month, they were on, let's see. But only at 21 orders, so it may not be, significant. And on the others, I have the buy box. Yeah, I have the buy box a little more, but for one, okay, yeah. So it's not for a lot of orders, but like on the listings that I still have the buy, it's rocking. I'm pretty sure that if I had to apply it on all my listings, it will not be as close as it is right now. But you can see that if you do not have the 100%, the $100 membership, you can still, like, it's not like you're gonna be left like in the dust, right? When it comes, like, you do not necessarily need the AI repricing rules to work. No, the AI repricing rules are more powerful. It's way less of an headache than to work with, a flow chart and with the repricing rules that I have set up. The rule-based rules that I have set up and that I've been working with. It's way easier. You have 5 rules. You can put whatever you want. You can just put the equalizer on every single one of your listings. It's going to go to work. All right. Compared to having like 10 different rules that you need to. It's way easier. Now, I think that the real value when it comes to the $100 membership is not necessarily the AI repricing rule. And this is just my experience, right? It's not necessarily the AI repricing rules, but as I was suspecting, the real value is the instant repricing. So if you do not know, if you have the membership below the $100 a month memberships, your repricer is only going to reprice like every 15 minutes. And so if someone has the instant repricing rule, he can just cut you down 1 cent easily, and like you're never going to get the buy box, right? While if you have the instant repricer, it's going to reprice all the time, as fast as Amazon allows, right? As Bqool says. So to give you to put things more in perspective, before, like when I was just using the rule-based rules with the $25 a month plan, I was winning the buy box 16.94% of the time, right? 16.94% of the time. So 5% less than I am winning right now with the instant repricing rule. So as I said, I really think that the real value and the most important reason why you should get the $100 membership is for the instant repricing. It's gonna help you win the buy box way more. This is what's gonna change, all right? The AI repricing rule just make repricing easy, all right? If you want to watch my video, like if you do not want to spend $100 right now, watch my video, get my exact repricing rule. I think I'll have a link right there, right down. down in the description as well if you want to get my repricing rule in this video. You do not have to watch the other one. Just enter your email. I will send you the exact repricing rule that I was using before using the AI repricing rule. They do a great job, all right? They do not work as well as the what's it called, as the AI repricing rule, but it's pretty close. It's actually pretty close. You know, I was able to get it to 1%, right? And if you want to, you can save $75 and use those. I mean, you're not gonna be like if you get the $100 plan, you're gonna make more sales because of the instant repricing, but it does a pretty great job if you do not have the money to spend right now, right? So if you want to save money, if you do not have the capital to invest in the $100 membership right now, just get it. I used it until I reached $30,000 in sale, the $25 plan. I used it until then. So you don't necessarily need when you start the $100 membership plan, but this is something that you would need to look into when you start scaling and you want to get more sales, because it's going to pay off for itself. It's going to pay off for itself super fast. All right. So that's the end of my review. That's my full review of the $100 plan on Bqool. So let me know what you guys think in the comment. Let me know which plan you have. Don't forget to use the link if you want to get Bqool, if you use my link, and join the Discord. Thank you for watching. I release a new video on Amazon every single day, so join the Discord, subscribe, like the video, do all that stuff. I do not have to explain it to you. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.